How to fix the "something went wrong" error on Instagram login on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve login issues on Instagram. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Instagram icon, then tap the Info or I button. After that, tap on Storage and clear both the cache and data. From there, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then reopen Instagram and try logging in again. At this point, if the error persists, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your connection. In the next step, make sure your Instagram app is up to date by going to the Play Store, searching for Instagram, and tapping Update if available. Following this, if you still can't log in, try using the Forgot Password option to reset your credentials and log in with a fresh password. Once done, if none of the above works, try logging in through your browser by going to Instagram.com instead of using the app. From here, if you can log in through the browser but not the app, try uninstalling Instagram completely, then reinstalling it from the Play Store. Finally, restart your device and attempt to log in one more time. The "something went wrong" error should now be resolved. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you fix your login error, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.